How to deposit money on PrizePicks. It's pretty simple, so watch till the end. By Visa or Discover Credit or Debit Card. First, you just need to log into your PrizePicks account. Then you just need to click on the Visa or Debit Card tab on the PrizePicks app. But first, you just need to click on this plus icon at the top right corner for entering the deposit page. Then enter your Visa or Discover card info and complete your deposit. Then by the instant bank transfer, for this you just input your deposit amount, then click instant bank transfer. It will take you to the new and secret tab. Then select your bank account, then type in your online banking username and password. It will keep you 100% safe, and select the bank account you'd like to connect with PrizePicks. Then verify all the information and click on confirm button. You can also use your PayPal account to deposit money to PrizePicks. Navigate to the PrizePicks deposit page and click on the PayPal tab, and then deposit your selected amount using your PayPal account balance. Then you just need to give the permission from PayPal and enter the credentials and verify the details. Then you just need to click on confirm button. You can also use your bank account through your PayPal account. It is an indirect way. You just need to go to your PayPal. If you're using desktop, then open your PayPal in a separate tab, and if you are using mobile app, then you just need to download the PayPal mobile app. Then you just need to click on wallet after logging into your PayPal account. Then you just need to click on link bank account, then enter your bank credential after choosing the bank that you have accounts on. Then you just need to confirm the details from the both platform, from your online banking account and your PayPal account. That's how you can link your bank account with your PayPal account, and you can use your bank account through the PayPal to deposit money in PrizePicks. Just like here, you can see in this screenshots that you first need to log into your account, that PrizePicks account, then click on the plus icon, and from here you just need to choose the payment method from here. Then enter the amount that you want to deposit. Then from here that you have chosen the payment method earlier, then you just need to enter the credential of that payment method. You can add your Visa card, your credit or debit card. Then you just need to enter the card details, the expiry date, CVV number and zip code. Then you just need to click on deposit. Then you just need to enter the password or any type of security process that you have turned on to your PrizePicks to verify your identity that you are depositing money from your bank account to your PrizePicks account or PayPal to your PrizePicks account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.